Meaning of free port.
Free port.
Free port.
Free port.
Free port. A free port, also known as a foreign trade zone or free trade zone, is a designated area within a country's borders where imported goods can be stored, processed, and re-exported without being subject to customs duties or other taxes. The purpose of a free port is to encourage trade and investment by reducing the costs and barriers associated with international commerce. Free ports also often offer additional benefits such as streamlined customs procedures, access to infrastructure and logistics facilities, and favorable regulatory environments. Overall, free ports play an important role in promoting global trade and economic growth.